Hi, hello, I am from Aislyn Technology. Today we are doing a project called ESP32-CAM based video streaming. In this project we are using ESP32S module and we are using OV2640 camera module and we are using FTDI programming module. Now we can see how to interface all the components with ESP32-CAM module. First we need to interface the camera module. This is the slot given for camera module. In this we need to open like this and we need to insert the camera module like this. Now camera is connected to ESP32-CAM module. After connecting the camera module, we need to connect the ESP32 to the programming module, which is called FTDI module. First we have to connect the VCC of the camera module to the VCC of the FTDI module. After connecting VCC, we have to connect the ground of the ESP32-CAM module to the ground of the FTDI module. Now we can see how to connect the RX and TX of the ESP32 camera module to RX and TX of the FTDI module. First I am connecting TX of the camera module to RX of the FTDI module. And RX of the camera module, I am connecting TX of the FTDI module. Now I am connected FTDI module and ESP32 camera module. Now we can see how to connect the IO pin and ground. To dump the code, we need to connect the IO pin 0 and ground using jumper. Like this we need to connect. Now we have to dump the code to the ESP32-CAM module using FTDI programming module. Now we can see how to dump the code to the ESP32-CAM module. First we need to install the Arduino IDE software. After installing Arduino IDE software, we need to go to the files. In that we need to go to the preferences. In that we need to go to the additional board managers to install the ESP32-CAM module. For that we need to copy this link URL and click OK. Now we can see how to install the board. For that we need to go to the tools. In that we need to go to the board. In that board manager, here search for ESP32. Now we can see ESP32. Click on install. After installing, go to the tools. To select the board, go to the board. In that, go to the ESP32. In that, select ESP32 drawer module. After selecting the board, go to the tools. To select the port as COM8. And after that, set the frequency as 80 MHz and flash mode as QIO and partition scheme as huge app and upload speed as 921600. After setting up the board, now to upload the code, first we need to go to the files. In that examples, we need to go to the ESP32. In that we need to go to the camera, select the camera web server. Now we can see camera web server code is open. In this we need to modify some lines. First we need to comment the hash define camera module ESPI and we have to uncomment the hash define camera model AI thinker. After that we have to change the SSID means our Wi-Fi name and password is our password of the Wi-Fi. We have to change here. After changing, we have to go to the sketch Here we can see verify and compile. Click on verify and compile. Now we can see code is compiled. Now we can see how to dump the code to the ESP32-CAM module. Go to the sketch, click on upload. Now we can see code is uploading. Done uploading. After dumping the code, we have to remove the ground and IO0 connected jumper. First we need to connect the VCC of the power jack to the VCC of the 5 volts of the ESP32-CAM module and ground of the ground of the power jack. We have to connect to the common ground and ground of the ESP32. We need to connect to the common ground and also we need to connect the ground of the FTDI module to the common ground. We need to check whether the ESP32-CAM module ground is connected to the FTDI module or not. Now the circuit is completed. Now go to serial monitor. Now Wi-Fi is connecting. Now we can see here Wi-Fi connected. Camera is ready to use and we will get the URL which we need to copy to the browser. Copy this link. Copy the link in browser. Now we can see the user interface is open for live streaming. Click here, start stream. Now we can see the live streaming. Now we can see the live streaming. Now we can adjust the camera. See the camera model.